Hello, lesson 9a, my dinner last night. Всем здравствуйте, урок 9а. Мы ужин вчера. So, grammar for today, countable and uncountable nouns, a, and, some, any. Vocabulary, food and drink, and pronunciation, letters, ea. Итак, грамматика на сегодня: исчисляемые, неисчисляемые, существительные. Вокабуляр, еда и питье, и произношение букв в словах ea. Okay, and we start from the vocabulary, food and drink. Do the quiz with a partner and vowels to make the words. Итак, начинаем с квиза. Нужно вставить гласные, чтобы получить слово. Two kinds of Italian food. Okay, if first one is pizza and the second one, write down. So, 2 things you can add to a coffee, and etc. Please do it. Write down the words. Прочитайте и напишите существительные. So, and we go to the vocabulary bank, page 163, food and drink. So, food and drink, vocabulary bank, match the words and photos. Итак, еда и питье. As usual, как всегда, делаем matching. Вот они, вся эта красота аппетитная. And the words. Breakfast. Bread, butter, cereal, cheese, coffee, eggs, jam, orange juice, milk, sugar, tea, toast. So please read the words, be sure you pronounce them correctly, do the matching, and translate and learn them by heart. То есть, как обычно. Делаем matching, учим слова, правильно должны быть они прочитаны, написаны, и вы должны знать перевод. So, what's your favorite breakfast? What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite snack? What's your favorite vegetable? So, be ready with the answer. And is there any food or drink you don't like? А ваш любимый завтрак, десерт, фрукт, перекус или овощ? Подготовьте ответы. И, может быть, есть что, что вы терпеть не можете. So, section 2, grammar. Countable and uncountable nouns. Look at the photo of blogger Nathan Vips lunch. Can you name any of the things in the photo? Do you think it's a healthy lunch? Ну вот он lunch. Блогера Натана. Смотрите, что вы видите, как это все называется. И скажите, это вообще здоровый ланч? Then look at the title. Do you think he eats the same thing every day? Why do you think he eats the same thing every day? Read his blog and check. Вот такой заголовок. Why I eat the same thing every day. Нужно прочитать, подумать сначала почему, а потом ответить, когда вы прочитаете. And then answer the questions with a partner. И затем ответить на вопросы. There are 6 of them. So, and then complete the sentences with a, an, or some. 3 sentences from the text. So after this, let's go to the grammar bank, page 140. 9a, countable and uncountable nouns. English nouns can be countable and uncountable. Countable things you can count, uncountable things you can't. Countable nouns can be singular, an apple, and plural, 3 apples. Uncountable things you can't count, for instance, rice and meat. Соответственно, исчисляемые посчитать можем. 1 яблоко, 1 яблоко, 2 яблока, 3. Неисчисляемые не можем. Рис, мясо, деньги. Uncountable nouns are normally singular. И обычно неисчисляемые существительные – это единственное число. And some nouns can be countable or uncountable. И некоторые существительные могут быть как исчисляемыми, так и нет. Например, мороженое, ice cream. An ice cream or some ice cream. So, we use an with singular countable nouns. An means one. Итак, мы используем артикль неопределенный с существительными исчисляемыми в единственном числе.
9.2. We need an apple. We need some apples. We need some butter.
We use some in positive with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. Мы используем слово some в утвердительных предложениях с исчисляемыми существительными во множественном числе, а также с неисчисляемыми существительными.
We don't need a tomato. We don't need any tomatoes. We don't need any rice.
Okay. И используем we use any in negative and interrogative sentences with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. А также мы используем any с существительными исчисляемыми во множественном числе, а также с неисчисляемыми существительными.
Do we need an orange? Do we need any oranges? Do we need any sugar?
And some in interrogative sentences. Иногда в вопросительных предложениях мы используем some, когда мы хотим кого-то о чем-то попросить или что-то кому-то предложить. We use some to ask for and offer things in interrogative sentences. Can I have some sugar, please? Or would you like some coffee? So here we have exercises. A. Write an or some plus food or drink word. Смотрите на картинку и пишите. Обязательно используйте слова, маркеры, да, или артикль, или some, any, или some. B. Complete the conversation with an, some or any. Нужно в диалог вставить по смыслу, что требуется. Внимание, смотрите на число и исчисляемое существительное или нет. F. 9.3. Listen to a couple talking about what food they need to buy. Write their shopping list. Сейчас мы послушаем пару, которая собирается в магазин. Нам нужно написать, что они собираются купить. Уже начало вот у нас есть.
Nine point three.
We need food for the weekend. Can you do the shopping on your way home this evening?
Okay, I suppose so. What do we need?
Let's see. We need some coffee. We don't have any.
Okay. Coffee.
And some milk. And some juice.
Orange juice?
Fine. And maybe apple juice too.
Okay, what else?
Get a pineapple if they have them.
One pineapple.
And some oranges. 4 or 5 oranges. And some bananas. And I want to make a vegetable curry, so get some onions, some potatoes, some tomatoes.
Hold on, wait a minute. Potatoes.
Yes, 2 or 3 big ones. Oh, and forget the tomatoes, we've got some in the fridge. And a bottle of wine.
White, red?
Don't mind. Oh, and a lettuce. I want to make a salad.
Lettuce. Do we need any tomatoes?
No, I said no tomatoes.
Sorry, yes, you did. Is that everything?
Yes, I think so. And don't forget anything.
Okay, if you need, please listen twice and write down the words from the shopping list. Если нужно, послушайте еще раз и выпишите слова из их списка. So let's go to section 3. It's listening. A. Look at the photos posted with the hashtag my dinner last night. With a partner, which partner photo do you think shows? Итак, вот у нас фотографии. Мой ужин вчера, A, B, C and D. И какая фотография показывает, что something that the person cooked, takeaway food that the person ordered, something that the person ate in a restaurant, something that the person's mother cooked. Takeaway – это еда на вынос. And now let's listen to the people talking about their photos and check your answers to A. А теперь давайте послушаем, что люди говорят о своей еде, и сверим наши ответы. So, glossary: Thanksgiving is a national holiday in the US in November. Okay, let's listen.
9.4. 1.
This is for my foodie friends. In case you thought lettuce was only for salads, here I'm cooking it in some butter with an onion. Then I add some mushrooms, chicken, fresh tomatoes and some other things. Not sure yet. Lettuce is also great in soups, or you can grill it and serve it with blue cheese.
2.
We didn't feel like cooking last night. And anyway, we didn't have any food in the house. So we decided to order some takeaway salads from our wonderful local pizzeria. They were all very good, but my favourite was a chicken salad with carrots, tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, and some pieces of fried bread.
3.
Dinner last night at a restaurant in Piccadilly called Nopi. We had lots of different sharing plates. I loved everything, especially this dish called shakshuka, which is North African. And it's basically eggs in a tomato sauce. But the mixture of herbs and spices makes it just fantastic. And the bread we had to dip in the sauce was wonderful too. Go there soon.
4.
Okay, guys, this is it. Our Thanksgiving dinner, which we had at 6:30 last night. All the usual things: turkey with cranberry sauce, roast potatoes, mashed potatoes, lots of vegetables, and more. And more, Mom said, why not go to a restaurant this year? Maybe have seafood. But I said no. I want it homemade and traditional. So she did it. Thanks, Mom. I now need to spend a few hours on the sofa before I even think of going to bed. So, how was yours?
Okay, so listen again, and who talks about a good restaurant near their house, who talks about ways of preparing something, a dish with two main ingredients, a meal for a special occasion. And D, which of the four dishes or meals would you like to eat? Which wouldn't you like? И что из этого вы бы хотели попробовать, а что нет? Okay, section 4, pronunciation, the letters EA. How is EA pronounced in these words? Put them in the correct column. У нас есть некоторые слова, и они произносятся все по-разному, хотя здесь везде две гласные EA. Можно произносить как долгую И, long E, tree. Можно произносить как короткий звук like egg. А можно как train, A, дифтонг. Распределите эти слова по трем колонкам. Then we'll check it. Section 5, speaking. Make a food diary for yesterday. Write what food or drink you had. Breakfast, a cup of coffee, some cereal. Lunch and dinner or snack. Вам нужно составить пищевой дневник. Что вы ели вчера? Запишите, что вы ели и пили. Например, на завтрак чашка кофе, каша. Then work in pairs. Tell each other what you had yesterday. Say where you had it and who made it. А так потом мы будем с вами спрашивать, что вы ели, где вы это ели, кто это приготовил. Like, I had breakfast at home and I made it. I had a cup of coffee and some cereal. Например, я завтракала дома и завтрак приготовила я. У меня был кофе и каша. Then answer the questions in pairs, а затем ответьте на вопросы в парах. What do you usually have? Что вы обычно едите? For a quick lunch when you don't have the time to cook. For dessert at home or in a restaurant. When you are hungry between meals. For breakfast at the weekend. For a special occasion when you order a takeaway. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye bye.